You've just started using Xero, and you're ready to get your books in order. But wait, you have some cash on hand, maybe some in the bank, and you need to get that reflected in Xero. How do you do it? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of adding your starting cash balance in Xero. Xero is a powerful accounting software designed to give you a real-time view of your finances. But before you can start tracking your income and expenses, you need to tell Xero your starting point. This is where your opening balances come in. They represent the actual amount of money you had in your bank accounts and on hand when you first started using Xero. Think of it like this. Imagine you're starting a new spreadsheet to track your daily expenses. You wouldn't just start recording today's spending, right? You'd probably want to note down how much money you had in your wallet and bank account at the beginning of the day. Opening balances in Xero serve the same purpose. They provide a foundation for all your future financial transactions. Why opening balances matter. Accurate opening balances are crucial for several reasons. Reconciliation. When you reconcile your bank accounts, Xero compares the transactions in your bank statement with those recorded in Xero. If your opening balance is incorrect, your reconciliation will be off, leading to confusion and potential errors. Reporting. Financial reports like your balance sheet and income statement rely on accurate opening balances. If your starting point is wrong, your reports will be inaccurate, giving you a skewed picture of your financial health. Decision-making. Based on your financial reports, you make important business decisions. Inaccurate data can lead to poor decisions, impacting your cash flow and overall business success. So, let's dive in and learn how to add your cash balance to Xero. Step-by-step guide. Access the Opening Balances page. Log in to your Xero account. Navigate to the Accounting menu. Click on Opening Balances. Choose the account. Select the bank account or cash account where you want to add the opening balance. You can usually find these accounts under the Assets section. Enter the opening balance. In the designated field, enter the exact amount of money you had in that account on the date you started using Xero. Confirm and save. Review the entered amount carefully. Click Save to confirm the opening balance. Important considerations. Date. Ensure you enter the correct date when you started using Xero. This is crucial for accurate reporting and reconciliation. Currency. Double-check that the currency of the opening balance matches the currency of the selected account. Multiple accounts. If you have multiple bank accounts or cash accounts, repeat these steps for each account. Tips and best practices. Gather all your bank statements. Before entering any opening balances, gather all your bank statements from the previous month. This will help you ensure accuracy. Reconcile immediately. Once you've entered your opening balances, reconcile your bank accounts immediately. This will help you identify any discrepancies early on. Double-check your work. Before finalizing your opening balances, carefully review all entries to avoid errors. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about any aspect of entering opening balances, consult with an accountant or bookkeeper. Example scenario. Let's say you started using Xero on July 1st, 2024. On June 30th, 2024, you had $5,000 in your checking account. To enter this in Xero, go to Accounting, Opening Balances. Select your checking account from the list. Enter $5,000 in the Opening Balance field. Confirm and save. That's it. You've successfully added your checking account's opening balance in Xero. Additional notes. If you have any existing transactions before your Xero start date, you may need to adjust your opening balance to reflect those transactions. Xero provides helpful resources and support documentation on its website. If you encounter any problems, refer to their help articles or contact Xero support. Adding opening balances in Xero might seem like a small step, but it's a crucial one for maintaining accurate financial records. By taking the time to enter your starting balances correctly, you'll ensure that your financial reports are reliable and that you can make informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,